The Fox and the Goat. Once upon a time, there was a thirsty fox who wanted to drink some water. Walking, they saw a well and went to drink water. But as he was drinking water, he accidentally fell into the well. He did not know how to come out from the well. The well was shallow, but he could not off it. By chance, a goat passed that way. She looked into the well. She was surprised to find the fox there. She said to the fox, "What are you doing here?" The fox replied, "Dear, the water of this well is very sweet. I daily come there to drink it. So come down and have a drink." The goat was very foolish. She did think and jumped into the well. The fox at once got over the back of the goat and jumped out of the well. Now the goat realized hurtfully. She requested the fox to help her out. The fox said, "Why did you jump into the well if you not come out?" Now go on crying. Your master will come to get you out. In the meantime, you may enjoy the sweet water of the well. Goodbye. Saying this, the fox ran into the jungle and the goat was left in trouble. Model: look before you leap. Please subscribe my channel, Babies Learning TV. Thanks.